Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Chris. It's good to see you all. Alright, so this is a special opening episode, my unboxing episode of my item from Eat, Read, Love. See that? I'm so excited about this. Like, oh my gosh, this is so cool. I'm so excited. I ordered so much from them, and Sal is so sweet. I was able to communicate with them a lot. All of the folks that are working with Sal, I don't have their names, but thank you to each and every one of you who helped make this possible. And of course, thank you, Sal, because you are an incredible human. And I'm so glad that I found you on YouTube. So they sent me all of these things. And a little commercial. Super cute. Limited time offer. Very nice. And here I've got, you know, the list of items that I bought, which is actually a fairly big list. I might have gotten just a little carried away, but hey, if you'd met me, you'd understand. So, wow, my goodness, they put this in boxes inside of the box. Okay, so there's 1, 2. Ooh. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. This is my grid. I'm so excited. This is my crystal grid. Yay, that's so beautiful. So now we've got 2 boxes and a crystal grid. And now 3 boxes. Oh my goodness. I can do this, I swear. Okay, well maybe we'll just do it like that. I've never done an unboxing video before, so there's the 3rd box. And here's the 4th box. Alright, so we've got 4 boxes. I don't know if you can actually see them. Let me turn this light on so it's a little bit easier for you to see. So there are 4 altogether. 4 boxes, see? Alright. Okay. And let's just see what's what. This is so cool. Be very careful with sharp objects. Be very aware of where your fingertips are. Okay, here's box number 1. Oh my goodness, everybody. I'm so excited. Ah! So I've got the Goddess Temple. You see that? It's the Goddess Temple Oracle cards by Sarah Perini and Elena Albanese. Very cool. And I've got The Fairy Forest, an Oracle of the Wild Green World by Lucy Cavendish. Artwork by Maxine Gad, or God, not sure how to pronounce the A on that person's name. Very, very cool. Yes. So excited. And this is the back of the Goddess Oracle. And next we have Dark Angels Tarot by Luca or Lucia Crusoe or Casso or Russo. I think that's an R. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing this person's name. I promise I'm not trying to mispronounce it, but you can see it there at the bottom of the deck. That's the person's name. And this is what this deck looks like. Lovely. Oh, wow. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but that's pretty cool. And then we've got Wild Wisdom of the Fairy Oracle. Lucy Cavendish. Artwork by Selena Finesse or Fennec. Very nice. Very, very cool. And, but you know, I told you I got carried away. Yeah, just a little. And this is the Gratitude Oracle card deck. Angela Hartfield, artwork by Josephine Wall. Isn't that just so detailed? Very cool. See those? Really neat. And then I've got Sexual Magic Tarot. Not sure if you can see that. This is a little deck. So cute. Little. It's little. Laura Tuan, artwork by Mauro de Loie or Loire. Ooh, this says it's from Italy. That's awesome. And Raven's Wand Oracle by Stephen Hutton. I know that light is kind of annoying sometimes. It's like you want to be able to see what you're looking at, but sometimes it's so almost too bright in a way. Mystic Sisters Oracle deck by Emily Balabé. And the last deck in this box, I believe, the Wonderland Tarot. Chris Abbey and Morgana Abbey. Pretty cool. And this actually comes with a 10. I very much like that. Oh, and there's a little box in here. It's heavy. I wonder what's in this box. Okay, so that's box number 1. I'm going to go ahead and stop this, and then I'll start a new video starting with this one, okay?